Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shakil Samai, and in this video, I'm going to go over the only US30 and NASDAQ strategy you will ever need to make $10,000 a month. In fact, guys, what you're going to learn in this lesson is very simple, is our strategy for the New York Open, how to scalp it with that high profitable trades but quick movements at the same time. Also, when to enter and exit trades. So this strategy will give you exactly precise entries, when to buy and sell. And if that's what you want, continue watching. As well, I'm going to show you guys the live examples. This way, you will understand it much more and it will build your confidence to trade it on your own. So traders, I've literally broke down the strategy into 3 simple steps for you guys, which I'm going to guide you by step by step. Let's go on to step number 1. Box off the 5-minute New York Open candle. As you can see right here, I boxed it from the high to the low or low to high. And once I've done that, I'm moving to step 2. The reason why I boxes off is so I can see where all the orders have come in, the most orders basically for the day. And that is a very crucial area for entering a buy or sell from. Next step, guys, wait for a breakout. It's very simple. As you see, market breaks out over here, guys, nice and clearly. And step 3 is enter on the retest of the box. As you can see right here, market literally just broke out, retest, and took off for a 1:4. Now, guys, I'm going to give you guys a bonus on how to get a sniper entry as well. So continue watching until the end. And if you're still watching, please do give me a like sub as well as subscribe if you haven't yet. I would really appreciate it. And moving on, traders, to examples. I'm first going to draw the examples, take you guys through annotations before I actually go on the live chart. So the first step of the strategy is to box the 5-minute New York Open candle like this from the high to low. So second step is all going to wait for either market to break out to the upside, close the candle out, or break to the downside. Once that happens, waiting for a retest on here or a retest in here, and we're going for a 1:4. So right here, traders, we have a live chart, an example. As you see, market just opened on the 5-minute, waiting for the candle to close. Then what we're doing is we box it from the high to the low. Right now, we see with my box, it has a specific setting because I know where to put my stop loss. So this one, it has a line in the middle, right? So whether it's buying or selling, my stop loss will be in the middle of this line. Okay, guys. So what I'm waiting for the next step is for a breakout. Let's see where does it break out, to the upside or downside. You're gonna wait patiently, and there you can see market breaks out to the downside. This here is a clear break to the downside for us traders. And now mine is thinking about sell. So where do you sell? It's very simple. On the retest, when it comes back towards here, that is where you're going to sell. You put stop loss right over here, and you're taking it for a 1:4 traders. Remember, 1:4. This way, over time, you will stay profitable. Over time, you'll be so profitable, whether you have wins or losses. I see market retest right there. So there was retest traders. You can see beautiful retest and push to the downside. Now that's in 5 minutes already. In 5 minutes, you're already into a 1:0.5, which is amazing. And you're targeting for 1:4. What should happen? Easy, clean move to take profit of 1:4 trades. And that took literally from year to year, only 30 minutes to make a 1:4. You could have risked $1,000, 1% of $100,000 count, and made $4,000 right here in one single day, traders. So before we move on to another example for you guys, if you appreciate the work I'm doing for you guys completely free, I would really appreciate you guys' support by simply just buying me a coffee. The link's in the description. I'll appreciate your free coffee. This way I can continue doing this free work to help you reach your trading goals. I would really appreciate, guys. The link's in the description. Let's go. Here you can see, guys, we box off the high and low of the New York Open candle. And with that being said, guys, we're either waiting for a break to the upside or to the downside. Now let's see what happened on this specific one. Nothing yet. And as you can see here, market break out nice and clear. There's a retest. So your entry will be right over here. Your stops will be just over here. And let's do this. 1:4. Now, guys, understand 1:4 is the minimum target for me personally. You can go for 1:2s, 1:3s, but I always say 1:4 is a great one, guys. Now, as you can see right there, market reach take profit in no time. Easy peasy. But I want to share with you guys a bonus, right? A bonus on how to get that sniper entries. One of the things I do use is EMAs, guys. EMAs. I use the 8 EMA as well as the 12 EMA. Now, understand, if you guys want me to complete video on how to use moving averages to get sniper entries, like a full video, how to use the strategy as well, then comment down below full video on EMA. I will do it for you guys. The more comments I'll get, then I will really do it for you guys. Okay, guys. Now, one thing I like to use the EMA as a bonus, just as a bonus, quick for you guys to snipe entry. I like to see that the market actually breaks as well the EMA on the 5 minute. Once the market breaks the EMA as well on the 5 minute, then I'm looking for a retest as well, which should line up with the box as well. Then, as you see, market broke it. There's a nice, it's lined up with the box as well. You can see there, lined up as well. And that's the point in time I know this is going to snipe all the way up. You know what I mean? That's how I know the market's going to give me a nice clean move, guys. Once the market gives me a break on the EMA and retests it as well on the box and the EMA, this is going to give me a sniper entry where I retest. I'll enter on the box with the EMA and it gives me such amazing push, as you can see, like this, and Marco's just flying. Now, again, guys, if you enjoy these videos, please give me a thumbs up. And you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And you can join the free group. The link's in the description where I share my setups as well. And also, if you really support me and you want to buy me a coffee, the link's in the description. I would really appreciate it so I can get that caffeine in to continue making these videos for you guys. Appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the other side. Cheers, traders.